What is spam liking on TikTok and how can I prevent it from happening to me?
Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing an issue that some TikTok users have been facing: spam liking. If you're wondering what spam liking is and how you can prevent it from happening to you, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and learn more about this issue.
What is spam liking?
Spam liking refers to the act of someone excessively liking or engaging with your TikTok content in a short period of time. These likes are usually generated by automated bots or individuals using software to mass like posts. Spam liking can be disruptive and misleading, as it gives the false impression that your content is receiving a significant amount of genuine engagement. It can be frustrating when you're trying to assess the true impact of your videos or connect with your real audience.
The impact of spam liking.
So, why does spam liking matter? First and foremost, it can skew your engagement metrics and make it difficult to gauge your actual popularity and reach. High numbers of fake likes can mislead you into thinking your content is more successful than it really is. Additionally, spam liking can drown out genuine engagement from your real followers, making it harder to connect with and build a community around your content.
How to prevent spam liking.
Now that we understand the issue, let's explore some effective ways to prevent spam liking on your TikTok account. 3.1. Enable comment filters. TikTok offers comment filters that can help you reduce spam. Head over to your account settings and enable the appropriate filters. You can set up filters to block or hide comments containing specific keywords, phrases, or emojis commonly associated with spam activity. This will help limit the visibility of spam comments and reduce the chances of spam liking on your posts. 3.2. Report suspicious activity. If you notice unusual or suspicious liking patterns, you can report them to TikTok. Tap on the profile of the account engaging in spam liking, click the three dots on the top right, and select Report. Provide the necessary details and explain the issue. TikTok will review the report and take appropriate action against the violating account, which may include warnings, suspensions, or permanent bans. 3.3. Focus on genuine engagement instead of obsessing over the number of likes. Shift your focus to building genuine engagement with your real followers. Encourage meaningful interactions by responding to comments, asking questions, and creating content that resonates with your target audience. By fostering a community of loyal followers, you'll be less affected by the disruptive nature of spam liking. 3.4. Be mindful of engagement groups. Engagement groups, sometimes referred to as pods, are groups of TikTok users who agree to engage with each other's content to boost their engagement metrics. While participating in such groups is not inherently wrong, it's essential to ensure that the engagement is genuine and not driven by automated liking or spam activity. Make sure the engagement you receive is from real users who genuinely appreciate your content. And there you have it, our guide to understanding spam liking on TikTok and how to prevent it from happening to you. Remember, spam liking can distort your engagement metrics and hinder your ability to build genuine connections with your audience. By using comment filters, reporting suspicious activity, focusing on genuine engagement, and being mindful of engagement groups, you can mitigate the impact of spam liking and create an authentic TikTok experience. Keep creating awesome content, engaging with your followers, and enjoying your